Have you ever seen something awesome? Don't let it disappear. Reshare post to your story and keep the good vibes rolling. Let's get started. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Date My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to reshare an Instagram post to a story. It's pretty simple and quick. So let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Browse your feed or go to the profile of the person whose post you want to share. Under the post, tap on the share icon next to the comment and like icons. After tapping the share icon, you will see an option that says Add Post to your story. Tap on it. This post will automatically appear in your story. You can add text, stickers, GIFs, or drawing to personalize the story. Move or resize the post as needed by pinching or dragging it. Once you are happy with how it looks, tap your story at the bottom to share it. Your followers will now be able to view the reshared post in your story for 24 hours. So this is how to reshare an Instagram post to a story. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.